Hi everybody, my name's Rob Thompson. I'm the thought leader for Seven Consulting, which I personally believe is the best and most innovative project management company in Australia. In this series of video tutorials, we're going to explore a set of tools. These tools are simple but powerful, and I'd like you to consider them as a set of plugins, if you will, to your core project management skills. You know, there's an old story, if you're going into a forest, you wish to cut some trees down, would you rather just go in with an axe, or would you prefer an axe and a chainsaw? So think of these as additional. Think of these as alternative ways of looking at core project management issues such as scope, benefits, stakeholder management, quality, and so on. We've used these tools in many clients, and they are proven, they are powerful, and they give you new insights. But more importantly, they also provide you with a lever to explore what I think is one of the most important and often misunderstood project management issues. Project management is fundamentally about managing people. Managing, building relationships, sustaining relationships, motivation. As a PM, you have many of these relationships to manage: your sponsor, your stakeholders, your team, your vendors, external contractors, and so on. So apart from helping you see project management from a different perspective, these tools also give you levers to have a number of powerful conversations with these stakeholders and these people you have to work with. You can use these tools at the start of the project, which is probably the most important time to use them. They are really powerful in helping you set projects up for success. But interestingly, you can also use these tools during a project. So if you're already on a project, you can actually retrofit either some or all of these tools to your project. I guarantee that what you'll find by using these tools on an existing project, again, you'll have new insights, new understandings about your project. So I've always said that a great day is a day when you learn something new. And through watching these video tutorials, I hope you have many great days.